and get the Danchy Ridgerunner. So let's see what we got in here. Instruction manual, decals, vehicle itself, battery 1500, 7.4. Got some shock bits, nut driver, and the remote. The remote has steering trim, front, rear, and the throttle trim. It's got a rear lock button right there, on and off button, clip-on body. Shock's pretty stiff, rolls a little bit. And of course it's four-wheel steer, four-wheel drive and four-wheel steer. It's not exactly thin. Battery trays up top. It's got motors on the axle with your servos over axle. Your arms here are plastic. And the only thing I read about or have been seeing online that is a weak point are these plastic steering pieces here. So a lot of people have been making them out of brake line, Everest 10 parts, supposedly 50s, especially on these trail arms here, or skids, on and off switches right here. But there's not a lot really for it to get hung up on. I'd rather have these up like this with the, overall it's pretty impressive. You can put a big battery in it if you want, but it comes Velcro strap. The remote takes 3 AA batteries in the bottom. On and off switch, turn on. Get a little flash there. The indicator will move as you switch the functions, which it's in a front steer right now. It's kind of jerky. Alright, so your bind button also changes your steering modes. So it's four-wheel steer. Press it again. You got your crab walk. And press it again, and you get your rear wheel steer. It's got the button for your rear lock. Press the button again, releases the rear lock. Reason I went with the Ridgerunner is it's fairly cheaper than a lot cheaper actually than a lot of other And I wanted to see what it would do, how long it would last, the motors, the drivetrain, whatever else. Tires, real sticky, but they're pretty good. They got good grip. Seems to me like the rear has a little bit more weight on it. I mean, it's not that heavy of a vehicle. I think it'll do well. It's got enough clearance. It's portal style axle, so you have more clearance in the middle. It's mainly made of plastic components all the way through. Your body rails can be adjusted, lifted, and lowered. We'll just have to go through it, see what works, what doesn't work. What's going to go on with it? Body. I like the color. It's kind of basic on the front. You know, just got the look of a bumper and headlights. You know, front and rear, which is all right for what it is, for the cost of it. It's, you know, what more can you expect? But I really want to see what the performance is going to be with it, what other modifications we'll make to it along the way. Until next time.